something called an avatar. And I'm here to help you guys get ready. But first, we have to scan you for Pandora and microparasites. Alright everyone, stay on your number and move your arms a bit. Okay, start scan. You've all got them. But don't worry, they're very common around these parts. Let's start the decon.
Initiating GMR decon.
Stand still over your number, you're not gonna feel a thing. You're doing great. Almost done here.
They're all clear.
Great. Now let's go over how all this works. Like I said before, you're going to be matched to these things called avatars, which look a lot like the Na'vi. They're created by blending human DNA and Na'vi DNA. Once we match you to an avatar, thanks to a special link chair, your mind will be able to control that avatar. Using avatars to fly this way was all figured out by my boss, Dr. Jackie Ogden. She leads our science team, which is part of the Pandora Conservation Initiative, and we're here in the Valley of Moara studying banshees and their environment. Over a generation ago, this enormous company called the RDA created a lot of damage to the area through their bad mining practices and conflicts with the Na'vi. Just like on Earth, it can take decades for ecosystems to recover. One way to understand what's going on with an ecosystem is to study what are called keystone species. These are animals like tigers, jaguars, seals. The banshee is one of these important animals. Dr. Ogden is the foremost expert on studying the Ikron and has spent years researching them. Unfortunately, banshees live high in rookeries and humans can't get anywhere near them without becoming their lunch. But the Na'vi and avatars can. In fact, the Na'vi have been riding on the backs of banshees since their earliest history. Thanks to science, avatars can ride on banshees too. That's why you're linking to an avatar. It was Dr. Ogden who restarted the Avatar program. It's because of her that you're able to go through this rite of passage today. Pandora is a breathtaking natural world. I cannot wait for you guys to see it for yourselves. So, let's get ready for our next... Huh? I'll be right back. Put the standby system on, quickly.
Standby. We are looking into delays with the genetic matching system.
We are experiencing
Starting system-wide diagnostics. Help us out and move around a little.
Done.
Starting recalibration tests. Move around a little.
How much? Oh, I came off.
It's too cold here.
Rebooting GMR system. We will be ready soon.
Too much.
Resuming.
How long does it take?
We need to reboot the system again.
No, you
Stand
all
by.
need to strip.
We are looking into delays with the genetic matching system.
Everyone should put their feet in the numbers. Then it'll work.
Rebooting GMR system. We will be ready soon.
Soon it's going to be 1,000.
We have to stand in a circle?
Yes, because if you step off, you see it rolls off and it's like blinkies.
Oh yeah, I'm not saying it.
Oh yeah.
See?
Core system components active. Testing sampler system.
Game testing.
Alright, very nice. Now don't worry about those 2 weeks, they're going to fly by, feel more like 20 minutes. I do have a few safety warnings for you all before we head out into the reserve, however. Please remain seated at all times. Do not stand up. Rhino. Now black rhinos weigh up to 3,000 pounds. Their horns are made of keratin. That's the same material that makes up our hair and our fingernails. So you too have something common with a black rhino. Humid days light today. You spend about 8 minutes underwater without coming up for air. Usually they'll come up, take a quick breath, and head right back down. Now on our left-hand side, we have a whole float of hippos. That's what we call a group of hippos, a float. And on those rocks, we have some pink-backed pelicans, given their name because their backs turn pink during their mating season. And a group of those pelicans, they are called a pod. They temperature down by about 12 degrees. Now crocodiles spend about 2 hours under the water without coming up for air. Alright, now as we enter the savannah, I want everyone to look out on their right-hand side. We're going to see an animal called a springbok. They're actually my personal favorite animals. They're going to be hanging out way in the back, and they have a brown stripe and a white underside. They only weigh up to about 60 pounds.
Oh, they're so cute looking. Baba, zoom it in.
Now they jump about 6 feet in the air without a running start and leap 13 feet across. When they do it together, it's called pronking. It looks really, really ridiculous, and that is why I love them. That's why they're my favorite animals. Now, of course, in the center, let's grab leaves off the bottom of the trees. That's called pruning. Oh, and it looks like we are currently holding for a giraffe crossing the road. Way off in the distance. Now, these are Maasai giraffes. They have the same number of vertebrae that humans do. 7, they're just more spaced out than ours. And giraffes only need to total about 30 minutes. Now we're just waiting to get up ahead for a second. So one of the cool things about the savannah is that all the animals work together to help keep their environment looking as good as it does. A lot of people think that it's the gardeners out here, but that's not really the case. What it is that hoofstock that includes animals such as the cattle that we just saw, or the springboks back there. Now a lot of people know spotted hyenas for their laugh or their giggle. It's not really the case. It's more just what their vocalizations sound like. They can also sound like a ghost booing. Oh, there's another one as we pull up here. Now, hyenas, they're also a pretty intense matriarchy. The lowest ranking female will still rank higher than the highest ranking male, because girl power. Next up, we also have some Patterson's eland. They're some of the largest antelopes in the world. They up to about 2,000 pounds, comes about 6 feet at the shoulder. And here we have another giraffe and some more of those Ankole cattle.
Are these cows?
Now we have some termite mounds on our left and right hand side.
Huh?
Made by termites out of things like dirt and saliva and dung, all that fun stuff.
It sounds like a Minecraft.
Now, I was gonna take us this way, but we're not really a huge fan of it, so if anyone just sees anything, or if anyone just wants to hang out here for a few seconds, just talk about life. Okay, alright, I guess we're gonna go this way. I've been this way before, as I mentioned before, not really my favorite, but hopefully they have fixed it since then, and we're getting a green light, so that means it should be good. Hopefully they fixed it from the old creepy bridge, that it still is. Great, awesome, perfect. I love this. I am so excited. Okay, I am very confident I can handle this. Is that duct tape? Okay. Alright. Once bridge doesn't make any bad noises, we should be fine like that. Okay. Whoa. Okay, everyone turn right. Turn right. Lean right. Oh no. Okay. Alright, I'm heading out of here. Alright. Okay. Are we good? We're good. Right. I can just stay between the warden and us. Oh, now there are some task marks on the right